is happening doon sa Twitter that has been talking about since last Friday about Sunu of ENHYPEN being fat shamed by his fellow members doon sa isang recent episode of their YouTube show doon sa kanilang official YouTube channel. So, I wanna talk about what really transpired doon sa recent episode na yon and what caused this to become the talk of the town doon sa Twitter. So before we start, don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga videos ko each week, and share the video. So, doon sa recent episode ng N O'Clock, which is the show doon sa official YouTube account ng ENHYPEN, the set of that recent episode took place sa isang classroom-like setting and the group played various games there. And this is where the talk of the town started. Sonu was tasked of guessing the tteokbokki brands na kakain siya ng tatlong set of tteokbokki. And he will guess kung ano yung brand na iyon. And if he succeeded, he wins the game. But before the game started, the members start to encourage Sonwoo whether or not he will succeed the game. And then they started to joke around and ask if he continues to pretend eating some food like tteokbokki, since tteokbokki is Sonwoo's favorite food. And then this is where the argument between the non-engines, solo stans, and the engines alike. Kasi ang sinasabi dito doon sa Twitter, they argued that there are some instances that the members started to fat shame Sonu because he ate a lot of food, and they kept on saying that he should lose weight. And there are other times na yung isa or dalawang members ng ENHYPEN said that he needs to lose weight kasi parang sinasabi ng isang member na he looks like Baymax doon sa Big Hero 6. Okay, may screenshots doon sa isang article prove that they said that. Pero there are some fans that they believe that it was out of context, it was a mistranslation, kaya as a result, the engine fandom went in chaos dahil dito sa recent episode ng N O'Clock. And the fans were worried dahil Sonu lost confidence because of the fat shame comments that he had been received by his fellow members. But there are others who said that it is normal for Koreans to be complimented by someone who is gaining a lot of weight. Kasi di ba naman, pinaghirapan natin na mag-gain tayo ng weight, especially for skinny people like me na having a hard time na mag-gain ng weight. Pero unfortunately, I only gained 1 or 2 kilograms of weight, and still, it's not enough. Pero still, this is my 2 cents regarding this one. Number 1, the members of ENHYPEN are still young and they need to be educated regarding body shaming or fat shaming in this matter. Kasi we need to be really careful. They need to be really careful of what they're going to say towards other members, especially na sensitive yung topic like body shaming. And then number 2, this is for all those solo stans and non-engines na sinasabi nila na they started to bully Sonu just because he gained a lot of weight. Well, you should blame the English subtitles or the one who translated the subtitles on purpose para magmukha na tiga-body shame ng mga members si Sonu. I mean, if you look dun sa mga posts on Twitter, you can see that there are some pictures na yung mga members, they complimented Sonu. They did not body shame him, okay? And number 3, I am worried na in time, baka may mawalan sila ng isang member, especially si Nikki. Kasi he had received death threats from solo stans or from toxic fans na hindi naman kabilang sa engine fandom. And I'm freaking worried as well kasi may nabasa ko doon sa Twitter and TikTok at the same time na yung mama ni Nikki was aware of the issue. She's really active on social media, and she afraid to pull Nikki out of the group if in case the situation gets worse. Since Nikki and the rest of the members are still minors, they still need to be educated. Kasi they should be aware of every little thing that needs to be educated. Kasi the world is really cruel, especially in the social media. I mean, very sensitive yung topic na ito, especially bad shaming, kasi words can kill you. And especially if there are some people who is saying na, bakit ang taba mo? You need to lose weight. I mean, sino ba naman yung hindi ma-awkward or ma-lose confidence dahil sa sinabi ng isang tao towards you, di ba? So I know that ENHYPEN is a few months old since their debut noong last August or September last year, but they are still minors. And I know that their friendship and their bond is still not yet fully intact since they are created under a survival show, which is Island. And I hope that they won't be affected with the negative comments that they have received ever since yung recent episode ng N O'Clock has been debated by non-engines, solo stands, and engines alike. And I'm also worried that baka mamaya Sonu will lose confidence, especially that his birthday is 4 days away. So malapit pala yung birthday ni Sonu, and I just hope that Sonu will not be affected by the negative comments as well. So I hope na everything will be settled down, and I hope that this issue will be subsided as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!